मैडम को लगा ऊबर वाला जीपीएस नहीं जीपे से चलता है। टिप्स नहीं मिली तो ड्राइवर ने दरवाजा ही नहीं खोला। अब देखिए कैसे पूरी राइड हॉस्टेज नेगोशिएशन बन गई।
You just open the door, please.
No, tips please.
No, I don't want to tip you. Could you just open
Why?
the door?
No, this is a rule here in this country. You have to give me the tips.
No, it's not. I've never given any other Uber driver a tip. Look, I need to get out.
I don't care. I need tips because I give you that service. I drive from a long distance.
Well, it's not really been the best service. This car is a mess. And you're asking for a tip despite the fact of the mess.
Mrs. here, not there. You are okay. Your seat is clean. Here, don't look at it. Give me the tips, get it out.
Can't you just let me out? I have paid for this service.
No, you paid okay, you paid whatever, that will go to that company. I need tips for myself, okay?
I've paid for the ride.
I need tips, that is the rule. Do you understand? You are not understanding what I'm saying.
I have understood that you want a tip.
Yes.
But tips are optional. You don't
I
ask
know.
for
Who says
them.
it's optional? It's a mandatory in this country. You don't know the rules. You people are really, it's a problem that you want taxi, you want car ride and you don't know the rule at all.
I have never ever paid for tips ever in my life.
I don't care.
I am
need tips.
here. I can see the building. People are waiting for me inside. Just let me out the car.
No. No.
This door will not open. I
No
will break
way.
the window.
No way. I'll call the police. No way.
I will call the police because the fact that you're
No,
not
because
letting
the
me
rule is here. Police don't support you. Police don't support me. Do you understand?
You're holding me hostage
No,
in this car.
I am not holding. I am saying politely, madam, can you give me the tip? This is the rule of this country. Don't break the rule. Understand?
Yes, but you never
No.
explained that when I ordered the Uber.
No,
have
I know it. You know it already. Okay, fine. I said last time, give the tips. Otherwise, just sit there and sleep. Okay?
No, because I need to be in this place. People are waiting for me inside.
People are waiting for me also. You know that I'll go somewhere else. I have to pick up somewhere, but I'm not doing also. I can't do that because of you. Why don't you understand?
Well, I'm pretty sure you're losing more money by waiting here asking for me to give you a tip.
I need tips. That's the rule. You need to pay. Then I'll allow you.
Okay, look, I need you to let me out of this car right now, okay?
No, I am not going to let out bastard. Stop, stick here, pay the tips, go.
No, you are not listening to me. I need you to let
You
me
are
out
not
of this car
listening.
now. No,
Just sit there quietly. Shh.
no, I'm not taking this.
No,
I'm not
oh.
taking this.
If you break, I'll call the police. Don't make a mess, okay? Sit here, stop, shh, calm down.
I
Give the
cannot
tips
believe you
and
right
go
now.
gently. No, don't.
विदेश घूमने गई थी, लेकिन लगा धर्म संसद यहीं लगा दें। बेचारी सामने वाली बच्चा संभाल रही थी और इधर मैडम डिबेट कंपटीशन जीतने निकली थी।
Are you normal? No, are you normal? Are you normal? Most of the people are not normal. Most of the people are not normal. Are you normal? 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 I am. Go and check yourself. Go and check. You are not normal. You don't look normal. You don't look normal. You don't look normal. You don't look normal.
You are the one actually. You are the one.
You should respect every religion.
Which religion? Which religion? Which everyone? Tell the name of every religion. Tell everyone. Do you respect? Do you respect this country?
Of course.
Of course. How, madam? How do you respect? Paying tax?
Yes.
Is that called respect? Paying tax is called respect? No, every country has tax. Every country has tax. Every country has tax. So is that called
Respecting religion. Sorry. Oh, no.
You respect this country. You respect this country.
You respect this country how? How do you respect this country?
The people, you respect the religion.
Every country
You
pays
should be
tax.
ashamed
Every
of
country has
yourself.
tax. Every country has tax.
Yes.
Every country has tax.
Taxes.
Every country has
You
tax.
pay taxes.
Every
You
country in the world
pay
has
tax.
tax. Every country in the world has tax.
How should disrespect people's religion?
Disrespect.
She needs to go to
Disrespect.
hospital.
ये नया बिजनेस मॉडल नोट कर लो। पहले बिना पूछे शीशा साफ करो, फिर 20 पाउंड की वसूली करो। अब देखिए कैसे फ्री सर्विस देखते देखते EMI बन गई।
Yeah.
So 20 pounds, please.
Huh?
20 pounds.
For what?
I just cleaned your window.
You just gave it a quick wipe. So, like, I'm confused. £20.
Yeah. I mean, that's it's cost of living, sir.
What do you mean that's cost of living? Who's living in that? You crazy? You just gave my look. First of all, you can see my hazards are on. You know, I'm having car problems as it is. You know, I've looked down. Yeah, I've looked up, and you're the one wiping my screen. I didn't ask you to do anything, and now you want money. You crazy?
£20. I need £20. I just cleaned it.
Okay.
Can I please have £20?
No, you cannot. I need Kim Kardashian.
You can't
That
go.
doesn't
I'm
happen
going
to
to
me.
stand in front of. You can't go if you don't give me that £20.
I can go wherever I want to
No.
go. What do you mean?
No.
Why would you ask for
can't.
20? But
You will knock me down before. No, it's cost of living. It's £20 going rate. Okay.
You can't. This is highway robbery. You can't wipe someone's car.
I'm not a robber.
You're. This is what robbers look like nowadays. Apparently, yeah. Bright pink, wearing a freaking. Look at your nails. Look at your nails. What is that? Is that French tips?
Cost of living.
You're making a lot of money with this, isn't it? Ripping people off. That's what you're doing.
£20. Shut up. £20.
What do you mean? No. What do you mean? Shut up. It's £20. Have you lost your mind? You
Hurry
crazy?
up. £20.
No, I'm not paying. I'm
No.
not paying anything. First of all, let's get one thing clear here, right? Let's try to understand
Products
this.
are expensive.
Okay. Let's understand this. Can I ask you a question?
£30.
Can I ask you a question?
£20. £50 here.
Who asked you to do anything?
Dirty.
No.
You gave me the look. I know you asked. You asked from your eyes.
I didn't even look at you.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't look at you at all.
You saw me. You didn't stop me. You said. You smiled at me. And now you're telling me that you don't want to pay me for
So
my work.
now you're gonna lie in front of my face and try and make up stories. Is that what we're
You're
doing?
the
now?
liar.
How am I the liar? Nobody asked you to
I
clean
am-
anything.
No, you're not going from here until you give me my £20. Shall I get in and find it?
What do you mean? No, are you crazy?
Give it now.
There's no £20 for you.
Don't.
Yeah?
No. You're pissing me off now.
I'm having my own issues. You're pissing me
I
off.
don't care about your issues. I just cleaned your window.
Nobody asked you to do it, and now you're trying to ask
You
me for
asked
£20.
me from your eyes.
I didn't even look at you. Look
You
at
looked and you made a small smile.
you. You're crazy. You've lost your mind.
You didn't say no, stop. You said
What are you talking about?
it's not funny.
Look. What I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna roll out my window, yeah. I'm gonna drive away. But before
No,
that,
I will stand. You
no.
can't.
What I'm doing, I'm filming you, right? I'm gonna show this to people so they know that you.
बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करने आए थे, लेकिन एंट्री गेट पर ईगो टैक्स लग गया। डबल पैसे देने के बाद भी अंदर नहीं जाने दिया। फिर शुरू हुआ पूरा बॉलीवुड ऑडिशन।
We paid, skip the line, and now you are not letting us in. Just because of your ego, I thought Canadians are very welcoming. Even after paying double, we are standing here on our birthday. I left my daughter with a babysitter, and you are creating a scene just because of your big ego. How much are you getting? $20 per an hour? So pathetic, idiot, nonsense.
कुछ लोग रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने जाते हैं और कुछ शॉपिंग करने। बस 10 सेकंड में ऐसा हाथ साफ हुआ कि सीसीटीवी भी बोल उठा, मैडम जरा धीरे। दो चीजों का बिल, लेकिन ट्रॉली में पूरा महीने का राशन। फिर पुलिस आई और उप्स भूल गए थे वाली स्क्रिप्ट शुरू हो गई।
In your cart there was unpaid items.
We're gonna pay.
No, that's not how it works. You're getting arrested. You're coming down to the police station. You're going to sign a form. You're no longer allowed to come to ShopRite. This ShopRite, you're not welcome here anymore. Okay. So there's no debate.
First, and then you guys will have.
There's no debate. You guys are getting arrested.
विदेश गए, लेकिन मेन्यू पढ़ना शायद वीजा में शामिल नहीं था। बर्गर गलत निकला तो रिव्यू नहीं, पूरा लाइव प्रोटेस्ट शुरू हो गया।
An Indian tourist became visibly upset at a McDonald's in Malaysia airport after discovering her burger contained beef, which she hadn't expected.
I don't know. I said I'm from India.
I know you're Indian. I know. Even my stuff, they cannot eat meat.
Then how would you do that?
She threw the box aside and asked staff why it hadn't been clearly marked, while workers confirmed it was a regular beef burger.
No, I just want. I can show you Indian butter meat, beef butter, beef, chicken butter, anything that makes you corn.
McDonald's is wrong.
Yes, I'm a customer of McDonald's. I eat so much. McDonald's is free. Veg.
Many online criticized her for assuming her home country dietary norms applied abroad, saying travelers should check menus before complaining.
It's not vegetarian.
I know, but it's not natural. So it's free.
Is expecting local restaurants abroad to follow your home country rules reasonable or just bad manners?